I am Zafir Ali. I am a pipe fitter, sprinkler, and welder. Recently coming off of college, I got an associate's degree in communications, video game design, but before that, I was in the Army for 3 years. I had a scholarship to play basketball, but the tuition that the scholarship they gave me wasn't enough money to go. So I tried to go to school, get it paid for, so I signed up for the Army. When I signed up for the Army, I thought I was signing up for the National Guard, but I wasn't signing up for the National Guard. By the time he came to my house, he had a contract, and it was for active duty. So when I signed it, I'm thinking I was gonna pay for my school. So when I got out, I applied to IUP. The day after I came home, got accepted for the fall. Went from there. They paid for my school, all that was free. I was freestyling my first 2 years. I was just going to school just to go, learn more. But then I realized I was really good at all the programming and stuff. So I'm good at coding. I taught myself how to code. So I learned how to code. My toilet broke one morning, over the summer, and I couldn't find no plumber to come to my house. And then by the time I found a plumber, he wanted too much money. So I Googled plumber near me, plumbing school. This was the first school that popped up, and I applied like that. My favorite thing to do with pipe fitting now is using the 300 machine. The 300 machine is a tool that threads and cuts, and you ream the pipe so you can make a whole system go together. I like that, and I like using a chop saw. Just use it for cutting if you want to cut pipe, any type of metal that you want to get rid of. It just makes a lot of spark. Living in my car for a while, cause I can't really find any place to go, to stay. That's going, cause I don't have any stubs or nothing. So I was just living in my car before I applied, sleeping in my back seat. So I just wanted to really came to school just so I wouldn't be in my car all day. Really too, that was another thing too. Our school was just finding gas money to get here, but that's my motivation to get up every day. Just going to look at my car. The thing I was really thinking about was, I could say just getting up. I was used to getting up early, so I was that's the only thing I was still in that mode of getting up. I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain, cause doing it every day, and it's draining mentally, but knowing your end goal, the end goal is to finish, because life's a marathon, you know what I'm saying? It's not how fast you go, it's just as long as you keep the pace and you go, there's a finish line, you know what I'm saying? So I know getting up out of my car every day, I know this is not the end. If I'm coming here, I'm gonna graduate, I'm gonna get my end, I'm gonna reach my goal to be successful. My future, hopefully within the next 2 months, I have a job in my field. But if not, I'm gonna try, I'm going to work for myself, doing pipe fitting and stuff. I might be a residential plumber.
So what's your lifelong goal?
Just to be a good dad, that's all. I just wanna be a good dad. I got 3 kids, I just wanna be a good dad and have money to be a good dad. That's my lifetime goal. I don't care if I'm famous. I don't care if I ever get rich. I just want to be a good dad and make money. The training that they give me and the environment that we have here is definitely lets you know this is not something you want to play with. Yeah, everyone has a story, and you can you don't want to get stuck. So it comes here with every walk of life that I met here. It's more motivation to you gotta get to where you want to be. Keep your head up, stay focused, listen to your instructor, come on time, be active in learning so you can help the next person. PTTI means unique to me. It's unique because there's no other school like it. you would have to like experience for yourself to know. I am PTTI.
Yeah.